Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. Today we are going to learn class 9th chemistry chapter chemical bonding, and this is our part 4. In this part we are going to start with the electron dot structure of atoms, Lewis symbols. In the formation of any molecule or formula unit, only the electrons present in the outermost shell are shown. The reason for not showing the inner shells is that they are well protected and do not involve in chemical reaction. Therefore, valence electrons are considered for the formation of the chemical bonds. Gilbert Newton Lewis introduced simple symbols called Lewis symbols to denote the valence electrons in an atom. This Lewis symbols, the symbol of the element surrounded by the valence electrons of its atom represented in the form of dots around it, is known as Lewis symbol or electron dot symbol. Let us see some examples. First is lithium, Li is the symbol, and atomic number of lithium is 3. Electronic configuration of lithium is 2, 1. And if we'll see its Lewis symbol, it will be the symbol of lithium, that is Li, and the number of valence electrons in its atom, that is 1. So over here 1 dot will give. The number of electrons in the valence shell is 1, that's why 1 dot. This Li, I'll write like this. This is the dot. Second one will take carbon, C. Atomic number is 6. Electronic configuration is 2, 4. These carbons have 4 valence electrons, 4. So we'll write like this, 4 dots around its symbol. The number of electrons in its valence shell is 4, that's why we've covered 4 dots. Third is nitrogen. Nitrogen N. Atomic number is 7. Electronic configuration is 2, 5. And N will be written in like this in the symbol, Lewis symbol. The number of electrons in the outermost shell, in the valence shell, is 5. Fourth one is chlorine. These are the few examples to understand. Chlorine can be written as Cl. Its atomic number is 17. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. And in Lewis symbol it will be written like Cl surrounded by 7 dots. Because the electron in its valence shell is 7. Fifth one is calcium. Calcium 20 is the atomic number. Electronic configuration is this. And the representation would be like this, because the electrons in the valence shell is 2. And remember, while writing the Lewis symbols, ignore the inner shell electrons. You only have to take the outer shell, the valence shell electrons. Then the topic is significance of Lewis symbols. Significance of Lewis symbols. First is predicting the number of valence electrons. Predicting the number of valence electrons The number of dots present around the symbol gives the number of electrons present in the outermost shell, that is number of valence electrons. Second is predicting the common valency of the element. Predicting the common valency of the elements. The number of electrons present in the outermost shell is the common valency of the element. The common valency of the element is equal to the number of dots around the symbol. I hope you have understood till this. Next topic is ionic bond. We have already listened about this ionic bond, chemical bond. It means the chemical bond formed between two atoms by the transfer of the one or more electrons from the valence shell of an electropositive element to the valence shell of an electronegative element is called an ionic bond. Due to transfer of electrons, electrically charged ions are formed. Since the ionic bond is formed due to the attraction of force of attraction between electrically charged particles, it is also called electrovalent bond. What is meant by electrovalency? The number of electrons transferred during the formation of ionic bond is known as electrovalency. For example, the electrovalency of NaCl is 1. The electrovalency of MgCl is 2. I hope you've understood till this. Next topic is Born-Haber cycle, which is an important topic of this chapter that we will start in the part 5. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Thank you.